Builder International, and we've got a couple of interesting little kits from Platz Bonsai trees. We've got 2 boxes. It's quite interesting. When I was younger, I fancied growing some bonsai trees actually. But here's a story for you. Usually when I bring model kits home and they come through the door, I show my wife and she says that's nice. In reality, what she doesn't mean that's nice. She means something completely different. Another, oh my god, not another model kit. But when I showed her these, she was quite interested, and she wanted to have a look at one of these and see how they're put together and yeah, what makes them tick. So that was kind of interesting. It got me to thinking that these are, should we say, a gateway kit to other things. So people who wouldn't normally be interested in models may well be interested in these, because they're pretty simple, they're pretty neat, and for once it might actually be something that a finished kit that is allowed to go on the shelf out in the living room. So what do you get inside? Well, I'll look at the boxes first. 2 different trees on the front. This is kit box Bonsai 1, Bonsai 2. If you look on the side here, there are other ones as well, I believe. Those are the photographs there. Some simple instructions on the side, on the bottom. So let's open it up and have a look inside. Basically, it's a simple styrofoam tray, just to protect the parts, mostly protecting the like the foliage there. It's protecting those. Inside, then we also have a base and some simple instructions. So I'll scan the instructions, but you can see they're pretty straightforward. You can probably work it out. It's all in Japanese, but you should be able to work it all out. Basically assemble everything, glue it. On the other side here, here's some more kits that are available in this line, I am thinking. And the names of the trees are in Japanese and English. Yes. So those are pretty neat, and there's some more information here about some background information on them. So that's pretty simple. So let's look here. I can see there's little pins through these, so these parts won't move around. So it's resealable bags. And as you can see there, that's pretty neat. All the parts are there, nicely detailed, or nicely contoured. There's some fine detail on there. Small attachment points. And this stuff it's slightly firm to the grip, to the touch. It's not ultra soft. So those will look rather nice. I shall have to quickly put one of these together for you. So let's have a quick look at what we get in the other resealable bag. And this one you get little stand, and stand that goes on the top of it. That's easy. So pretty straightforward. I'll quickly open up the other one. Basically the same thing again. I'll just this one has that bag was in there. It's very similar. Very similar. Foliage is different though. Obviously a different bonsai tree. Different layout of branches as well, obviously. And this one also has there's a small wooden block there. And the instructions are slightly different as well. This one should be straightforward without any problems as well. So, and more details on the back. So nice simple kits. They make rather nice birthday and Christmas presents for people who don't normally build models and just sort of look at you building your models. But yeah, they're nice, they're interesting. I'm sure I might be able to sneak these onto a shelf in the front room somewhere, or maybe even get my wife to put one of these together. Anyway, I'll take some photographs and put them online for you. Thanks for Platz for sending these along. They're pretty interesting, quite nice.